Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the concentration of solution, and this is the topic from first chapter of some basic concepts of chemistry. So first of all, what a solution means: the solution is a mixture of two components, solvent and solute. The solvent is that component which is present in larger amount and solute is present in lesser amount. So two components are there, so the solution is called binary solution. If in a solution there are two solute and one solvent, the solution will be ternary solution. According to the number of component, we can say we have binary, ternary, quaternary solutions. So what does a concentration means? Concentration means a particular amount of solute is taken in a particular amount of solvent so as to form a solution. So every solution has a particular concentration. If we change the amount of solute in a particular solvent or if we change the amount of solvent in a particular solute, so accordingly the concentration of solution also changes. So here are some methods that are given in our syllabus to express the concentration: molarity, molality, normality, strength, mass percentage, percentage by volume, mole fraction, and parts per million. In this video we will discuss about molarity and molality in detail, because most of the questions are from these two topics, molarity, molality, and sometime from normality also, right? And most of, in many solution, or we can say for every solution, the concentration is expressed as molarity and molality only. So let us briefly discuss about other concentration terms. So first is mass percentage. Mass percentage means what amount of solute is present in what amount of solvent solution. So mass percentage means, let us take an example of sugar solution, 10% sugar solution. So 10% sugar solution means the solution has 10 gram of sugar. Here it is the solution, means it include 10 gram sugar, that is solute, and particular amount of solvent. So if the solution has 100 gram, the solvent will be 90. So 10% sugar solution means 10 gram sugar and 90 gram water to give 100 gram solution. It does not mean 10 gram sugar in 100 gram water to form 10% sugar solution, right? So the mass of solute, mass percentage of solute is mass of solute divided by mass of solution. That includes solute and solvent. Here mass of solute and solvent into 100. So next concentration term is strength. Strength means how many gram of solute are taken in 1 liter of the solution. Means we have to prepare 1 liter solution and we will take a certain grams of solute. So if we take 2 gram in 1 liter, 3 gram in 1 liter, definitely the concentration of these two solutions will be different. If we can take it as, if we have 1 liter solution in which there are 50 gram sugar and in which there are it is only 10 gram sugar, so naturally the taste will be different, so the concentration will also be different accordingly. If we change the solute, the concentration of solution also changes. So mass of solute in gram divided by volume of solution, this give us the strength. Next is parts per million. It is this concentration term is used when the solute is present in very trace amount, right? So parts per million is mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 10 raised to power 6. So next is mole fraction. This term is used when in a solution there are two or more components, more than two components. So let us discuss this, understand this concept, what is mole fraction is. So let a solution in which there are three components, A, B and C. Number of moles of A are N1, B N2 and C N3. So if we want to calculate the mole fraction of A, then we will divide the number of moles of A divided by total number of moles N1 plus N2 and N3. Similarly, mole fraction of B will be equal to N2 divided by N1, N2 and N3, the total number of moles. Similarly, for C we can also calculate as follow. So next is the molarity and molality. So what does these two terms means? First of all, let us discuss molarity. Molarity is moles of solute, number of moles of solute divided by liters of solution. Means solution is taken as 1 liter. So the units will be, molarity has a unit moles per liter, it is denoted by capital M. So number of moles we can calculate from the formula weight of solute divided by molar mass of solute. This is the formula for number of moles of solute, that is weight of solute divided by molar mass of solute divided by liters of solution. Volume जो है solution का, that is taken as in liter. So the molality, it is denoted by small m. Molality is same, number of moles of solute, but here we will take the weight of solvent. Here we have taken volume, here it is weight. Here the volume of solution, here we have taken the weight of solvent in kilogram, or we can say moles of solute divided by kilograms of solvent. How many kilograms of solvent are taken? So units will be mole per kg. This is the difference, basic difference between molarity and molality. In molarity we take the volume of solution in which there are solute and solvent. Volume of solution, that too in liters. In molality we take weight of solvent in kilograms. So here it is a solvent only. In molarity it is the solution. So let us further discuss how does we form 1 molar and 1 molal solution, right? So firstly we have to prepare 1 molar NaCl and 1 molal NaCl solution. So let us first discuss what amount should we take to prepare 1 molar solution and 1 molal solution, right? So we have formula of molarity. We have to prepare 1 molar, capital M stands for molar concentration, 1 molar NaCl solution, और हम बनाना चाहते हैं 1 लीटर सोल्यूशन. वॉल्यूम हमने ना 1 लीटर सोल्यूशन बनाना है 1 मोलर, राइट? उसकी कंसंट्रेशन क्या रखनी है? 1 मोलर कंसंट्रेशन. सो वी हैव मोलैरिटी फॉर्मूला इज इक्वल टू मोलैरिटी M इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ मोल्स मीन्स वेट ऑफ सोल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाय मोलर मास of solute into volume 1 liter. It is given we have to prepare 1 liter solution. So molarity we have to prepare 1 molar. So we know weight of solute we want to calculate divided by molar mass of solute. We have NaCl, Na has 23, Cl has 35.5, so it is it comes out to be 58.5 into 1. So weight of solute comes out to be, weight of solute will be, we will cross multiply, it comes out to be 58.5 gram. Means we will weigh 58.5 gram NaCl and dissolve it in 1 liter. Clear? So because we have molarity equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So number of moles we cannot calculate or we cannot count number of moles in a given amount. So we can relate number of moles with the weight of solute by this formula, weight of solute upon molar mass of solute. So हमने बनाना है 1 molar solution, वेट ऑफ सोल्यूट हम यहाँ से निकाल लेंगे, इट कम्स आउट टू बी 58.5 ग्राम. सो हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल टेक 58.5 ग्राम NaCl. सिमिलरली 1 मोलल भी बनाना है तो 1 मोलल सोल्यूशन इज ऑल्सो वेट ऑफ सोल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाई मोलर मास ऑफ सोल्यूट. इट कम्स आउट टू बी सेम एज दैट ऑफ 1 मोलर एंड 1 मोलल. सो what is the difference to prepare 1 molar and 1 molal solution? So the amount is same to prepare and 1 molar and 1 molar solution. The amount is 58.5 gram. So हम क्या करेंगे, we will weigh 58.5 gram on balance. This is the volumetric flask. जो वॉल्यूम है पर्टिकुलर, जो सोल्यूशन हमने बनाना है उसका पर्टिकुलर जो वॉल्यूम लेना है दैट शुड बी मेजर्ड इन वॉल्यूमेट्रिक फ्लास्क. ये एक ऐसी मेजरिंग फ्लास्क होती है जो कैलिब्रेटेड होती है. इसका ये यहाँ पे एक साइन लगा होता है 1 लीटर. हमारे पास डिफरेंट वॉल्यूमेट्रिक फ्लास्क होती हैं, 25 ml की भी है, 50 ml की, 1 लीटर की, अकॉर्डिंगली 500 ml की भी है, 250 ml की भी है. तो हमने जितने जो वॉल्यूम प्रिपेयर करना है हम उस स्टैंडर्ड साइज़ की, उस स्टैंडर्ड वॉल्यूम की फ्लास्क लेते हैं. सो 58.5 ग्राम हमने लिया NaCl, इसमें मैंने डाला. फिर हम क्या करेंगे, वाटर डालेंगे. इसमें वाटर डाला, इसको डिज़ोल्व करा. फिर वाटर डालते डालते इसको यहाँ इस मार्क तक फिल करेंगे. देन दिस विल बी एग्जैक्ट 1 मोलर NaCl. और बना कितना है, 1 लीटर. बिकॉज दिस इज द फ्लास्क हैविंग वॉल्यूम 1 लीटर. मीन्स फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग 1 molar solution we have to take volumetric flask. But if we want to prepare 1 molar solution, simply we will weigh 58.5 gram of NaCl and we will also weigh 1 kilogram of water in a container. And it is very easy to weigh 1 kg of water. Like जैसे हम बाकी चीज़ों को वे करते हैं तो वे करना वाटर को बड़ा इजी है, लेकिन वॉल्यूम लेना, हमें वॉल्यूम के लिए हमें पर्टिकुलर वॉल्यूमेट्रिक फ्लास्क ही रखनी पड़ेगी. सो हम मोलर बनाने के लिए सिंपली 58.5 ग्राम पानी NaCl लेंगे, 1 kg वाटर लेंगे, मिक्स करेंगे तो इट विल फॉर्म एग्जैक्टली 1 मोलर NaCl solution. So अगर हम दोनों methods को compare करें, it is more easy, more convenient to prepare 1 molar NaCl as compared to 1 molar NaCl. So it is to prepare 1 molar, it is less time consuming and it is laborious. ठीक है. So आगे next हम क्या करेंगे, if we have solvent as water, क्योंकि वाटर जो है इसका 1 लीटर एग्जैक्ट 1 kg के बराबर होता है. बट इट इज़ नॉट ट्रू फॉर अदर सॉल्वेंट. लाइक इफ़ वी हैव ऑयल और सम अदर सॉल्वेंट लाइक अल्कोहल, राइट. सो इन दैट सॉल्वेंट्स द 1 लीटर does not weigh exactly equal to 1 kg. It may be smaller or it may be larger depending upon the nature of solvent. So तब डिफरेंस आता है जब वाटर की जगह कोई और सॉल्वेंट लेते हैं, तब 1 मोलर एंड 1 मोलर सोल्यूशन की कंसंट्रेशन सेम नहीं होती है. ठीक है. सो अगर मोलैरिटी और मोलैलिटी है हमारे पास, तो व्हाट इज़ द अगर हम मोलर सोल्यूशन प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो व्हाट इज़ द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मोलैलिटी. और मोलैलिटी से ही चल लेते. मोलैलिटी की क्या एडवांटेज रही होंगी कि जो हमें मोलैलिटी कंसंट्रेशन, मोलर कंसंट्रेशन के सॉल्यूशंस भी प्रिपेयर करने पड़े. तो हेयर आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ मोलैलिटी over molarity. First advantage, we have discussed that the molality is the most convenient method to express the concentration because it involve mass. और mass को weigh करना it is very easy. But जो molarity है it include volume. तो volume जो है we need some standardized measuring flask which are called volumetric flasks. So molality is most convenient. The second reason is temperature independence of molality. जो molality है that is independent of temperature because molality involve weight, right? Molality has number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in kilogram. So it involves weight. Molality involves weight, and we know weight do not change with temperature. But on the other hand, molarity involves volume of solution. So we know the volume of solution changes with change in temperature. Here I have taken 1 molar NaCl solution at room temperature. तो 1 molar NaCl means हमने कैसे बनाया था, by taking 58.5 ग्राम of NaCl in 1 liter. This is the 1 molar solution. ये हमने बनाया है एट रूम टेम्परेचर. अगर मैं इसी फ्लास्क को और इसी क्वांटिटी को एट वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर यूज़ करूँ, राइट. सो एट हाई टेम्परेचर जो वॉल्यूम है, जो लिक्विड हैं वो एक्सपैंड करते हैं, ठीक है. जो सॉल्वेंट है इट एक्सपैंड एट हाई टेम्परेचर. एक्सपैंड कर गया तो 1 लीटर मार्क से ये क्रॉस कर जाएगा वॉल्यूम सोल्यूशन का. इट मीन्स नाउ पहले वॉल्यूम 1 लीटर था, अब थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज कर गया. तो 58.5 इज द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स और द अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट जो हमने ली थी, हमने पहले डिस्कस करा है. 58.5 क्यों लिया हमने, डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूशन. यहाँ तक 1 लीटर था, बट एट हाई टेम्परेचर इट एक्सपैंड्स. सो द वॉल्यूम मैंने इमेजिन करा है 1.05. इट मे बी more than 1 liter up to any amount, right. I have just assumed it as 1.05. so at low temperature, at very low temperature, when the temperature is very low, the volume of solution, or we can say the solution or the solvent contracts, shrink हो जाता है और उसका वॉल्यूम कम हो जाएगा. सो यहाँ तक 1 लीटर था, अब कम हो गया. आई हैव टेकन एज 0.91. इट कैन बी कुछ भी, कितना भी कम हो सकता है, 0.8 भी, कुछ भी, कोई भी अमाउंट ले सकते हैं हम डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. तो आई हैव जस्ट टेकन हियर एज ए रेफरेंस 0.91, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हमने देखा कि जो वॉल्यूम है, वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज कर गया, तो कंसंट्रेशन क्या करेगी, इंक्रीज. सो एट वेरी लो टेम्परेचर मोलैरिटी और कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीजेस. एट वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर मोलैरिटी or concentration decreases because volume is increasing, denominator is increasing, that's why molarity will decrease. So these are the advantages of molality over molarity. So right, we will discuss the numericals of molarity and molality and the concentration term normality in the upcoming video.